Hey, Mark here. Welcome to the channel where crypto meets code. I've been testing out some sites where you can buy Flash USDT recently, and today I want to recommend one that I found pretty easy to use and reasonably priced. I'll drop the link in the description. I've recommended it to quite a few people before, and the feedback's been really good. Some of them also asked if I could make a video walking through the whole process, so here it is. It's actually really simple to use. You can connect your wallet here to make the payment, but to be safe, I'd suggest not connecting your wallet to any site if you don't have to, so I'll go with the direct transfer method instead. If you don't have a PC, it works just as well on mobile. Today I need some Flash token on the Tron network, so I'll pick this TRC20 option. Once you click it, the network gets selected automatically, then you just choose how much you want. I usually go with the 90,000 option. It's better value, and it's enough for me to test out some projects. Next, you need to enter your Tron wallet address. I'll use the address from my Trust wallet on my phone. Right now, this wallet doesn't have any USDT in it. Then choose the validity duration you want. I usually pay with ETH, so I'll select ETH here. You can also pay with USDT or use other networks or cryptocurrencies depending on what works for you. I will use my MetaMask wallet to pay ETH. Copy the payment address, then enter the exact amount of ETH needed. It's best to send the exact amount. Double check everything. Okay. Then go back to the site and click I have paid. You could close the page now if you want. Wait just a moment, let me check my Trust wallet on my phone. There it is, pretty fast. Just received 89,000 Flash, a little off, but no big deal. New? Don't forget to subscribe for clear, no hype breakdowns of Web3, DeFi, and the tech shaping finance. If this helps you cut through the noise, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I'll see you next time.